Morris Carey here, coming to you live from the Festool Roadshow, and I'm here with Brent Shivle from Festool. Brent, tell us a little bit about your roadshow.
The Festool Roadshow, this is the initial outing for the roadshow, and it's all about education, getting the students that are at the technical schools involved, getting them to the jobs that we need desperately right now in the U.S.
So you're the teacher here, and your mission is to encourage people to get into the trades. I understand that, but also you teach them how to use a variety of tools. Can you tell me a little bit about what you're teaching in as much as the tools are concerned?
Sure. It's going to vary between school to school that we go to. With the future build, I kind of gave them a wide array of what tools we have and what we can do with our tools. Some schools are going to be more dedicated towards building tables. I've got a school coming up in Colorado Springs that we're going to work with them on a project table that they're doing. So we'll focus on the mortise and tenon. We'll use the Capex sliding compound miter saw to show them how to cut the legs. So we're going to try and somewhat cater it to the schools.
So do you frequently build projects here?
At this school, no. This is their first one, so this was a kind of a test subject. For the classes that we teach back at our headquarters, it's all about showing people how to use our tools.
And building a little project and whatnot. Well, exactly. Brent Shivle, thank you so very much for taking the time out of your important day, busy day, to spend a little time with us. Thanks for being here.
Thanks for coming. Thanks for having me.